Patrick's gonna go snorkeling with some turtles at a turtle car wash station. What happens at the turtle car wash station?
Well, I don't know.
The fish clean the turtles there. Yeah. So we're there with Charter Oahu, and we're about to see some fish and turtles. Are you excited? We just did the snorkeling with the turtles. How was it? It was good? Yeah, what was your favorite part?
The turtles that would come up and the face that like they would go like, oh.